All you gotta do is plug it in. That's all you have to do. You can keep everything original. You do not need a new radio. You do not need to do any modification to this Toyota OEM sound system. All you gotta do is plug it in my device, and you'll be able to add Bluetooth streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigational instructions from your phone through your sound system by using my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Let me show you. So first, we get in the car. We turn on the car. Ta-da! Then you choose. Go to FM. Just go to the FM and set your radio to 87.9. That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth music to this car, to this Toyota Camry. All you gotta do is plug in my device.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth music to this Toyota Camry hybrid sound system. You can keep everything exactly the way it is. You do not need to get a new radio. You do not need to do any modification. Everything will be exactly the same. You still have all the functions and everything, except for the fact that you add Bluetooth music to this car. Not only that, you'll be able to talk hands-free without using, or you can use the features on Camry, or you can use this. When the phone call comes in, simply press the button, the music will pause, and you'll be able to talk hands-free. And once you're done with the conversation, just hit this button again, and the music will resume, and you'll be able to enjoy music and talk hands-free as well. Not only that, you'll be able to integrate GPS navigational functions through your sound system. So that way you can use Waze instead of this outdated navigational system which does not have real-time traffic. With Waze, you'll get real-time traffic, so you'll be able to enjoy your streaming music while you get the Waze instructions through your car speakers just like a new car would. So essentially you can update. With Gizmo Guy Gadget, you'll be able to update your whole entire system simply by plugging it into your car for power. That's all you have to do. So you get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget will turn any car with the older system. It will update and upgrade to a latest based on your phone. So you'll get the best features from your phone right through your car system instead of using this outdated navigational system. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can update and upgrade 2010 Toyota Camry hybrid sound system. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Over the last 30 years, I have personally replaced and repaired hundreds of car stereo, so now I know a thing or two about car stereo. So take my advice and I guarantee you will not regret it. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.